Are you tired of tedious meal prep that eats up your time and energy? Imagine a kitchen tool that transforms your cooking experience, making chopping, mixing, and pureeing a breeze. Enter this Twomeow Food Chopper, 4-cup fast food processor, a compact yet powerful electric meat grinder, and versatile food processor designed to simplify your culinary tasks. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this 400 watts powerhouse, equipped with 4 stainless steel blades and a whisk, is a must-have for home chefs. Packed with innovative features like dual speed control, a drizzle basin, and a user-friendly design, this chopper is set to revolutionize your kitchen. Let's dive into why the Twomeow Food Chopper is the ultimate solution for effortless meal prep. Solving common kitchen challenges. Meal preparation can be a daunting task, especially when juggling busy schedules or preparing complex dishes. Chopping vegetables, grinding meat, or whipping up sauces often requires multiple tools, leading to cluttered countertops and lengthy cleanup. The Twomeow Food Chopper addresses these pain points with its multifunctional design. Whether you're dicing onions, pureeing baby food, or emulsifying dressings, this chopper streamlines the process, saving you time and effort. Its compact 4-cup capacity is perfect for small to medium batches, making it ideal for everyday cooking without overwhelming your kitchen space. Key features that make Twomeow stand out? The Twomeow Food Chopper isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a thoughtfully designed tool that combines power, versatility, and convenience. Here's a breakdown of its standout features. Dual speed control for precision. With 2 speed settings, this chopper offers ultimate control. Use the low speed for delicate tasks like chopping soft fruits or vegetables, and switch to high speed for tougher ingredients like meat or nuts. The pulse control lets you chop with precision. Press to process, release to stop instantly. For bi-level stainless steel blades, unlike standard 2-layer blades, the Twomeow's 4 food-grade stainless steel blades deliver faster, more uniform results. This design ensures even chopping from top to bottom, whether you're mincing garlic or grinding meat for burgers. Multifunctional whisk attachment. Beyond chopping, the included whisk disc expands your culinary possibilities. Whip cream, beat eggs for fluffy omelets, or create smooth batters for baking, all with one device. Convenient drizzle basin. The lid's drizzle basin allows you to add oils or liquids mid-process without pausing, perfect for crafting smooth sauces, dressings, or emulsions like homemade mayonnaise. User-friendly and safe design. The chopper features a comfortable bowl handle for easy maneuvering and a spatula to scrape ingredients, ensuring nothing goes to waste. Overheating protection adds safety, automatically pausing operation if the motor gets too hot. BPA-free and easy to clean. Made with food-grade, BPA-free materials, the chopper prioritizes health and durability. The detachable bowl, blades, and lid are dishwasher safe, except the motor, making cleanup a breeze. 2-year after-sales service. Twomeow stands by its product with a 2-year risk-free guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. Benefits that elevate your cooking experience. Why choose the Twomeow Food Chopper over other food processors or meat grinders? Here are the top benefits that make it a game-changer. Time-saving efficiency. The 400 watts motor and 4-blade system chop, mix, or puree ingredients in 6 to 10 seconds, reducing prep time significantly. Say goodbye to manual chopping and hello to quick, consistent results. Versatile meal prep. From grinding meat for tacos to pureeing vegetables for soups or whipping cream for desserts, this chopper handles it all, making it a true all-in-one kitchen tool. Compact yet powerful. Despite its small footprint, the Twomeow delivers robust performance, perfect for small kitchens or those who value space-saving appliances without sacrificing power. Who is the Twomeow Food Chopper perfect for? This food chopper is designed for a wide range of home cooks, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Busy professionals. If you're short on time but love home-cooked meals, this chopper simplifies prep work, allowing you to whip up healthy dishes quickly. Parents preparing baby food. The ability to puree fruits, vegetables, and meats with ease makes this an excellent choice for crafting homemade baby food that's fresh and nutritious. Home bakers. The whisk attachment is a dream for bakers, perfect for creating batters, whipped cream, or emulsified sauces for desserts. Small households. With a 4-cup capacity, it's ideal for individuals or small families who need a compact yet powerful tool for daily cooking. Health-conscious cooks. The BPA-free materials and ability to process fresh ingredients make it a great fit for those prioritizing healthy, homemade meals. Real-world performance. What users are saying. The Twomeow Food Chopper has garnered praise for its performance and versatility. Users love its compact design, which fits easily on countertops, and the dual bowls, available in some models, that allow separate processing of meats and vegetables for hygiene. Many highlight the sharp, durable blades, which handle everything from raw chicken to tough nuts with ease. However, some note that for very fine pastes, ingredients may need to be pre-cut into smaller pieces, and the chopper should not be run continuously for more than 30 seconds to avoid overheating. A minor trade-off for its affordability and power. One user shared, "This chopper has been a lifesaver for meal prep. I've used it to grind beef for burgers, chop veggies for stir-fries, and even whip cream for desserts. The drizzle basin is genius for making dressings without a mess." Another appreciated the low-noise operation and non-slip base, which keeps the chopper stable during use. Why Twomeow outshines the competition. Compared to other food choppers in its price range, like the Hamilton Beach 3-cup chopper or the Mueller electric food chopper, the Twomeow stands out for its 4-blade system and whisk attachment, offering more functionality for the price. While some competitors offer larger capacities, the Twomeow's 4-cup size strikes a perfect balance for small to medium tasks, and its 400 watts motor rivals higher-priced models in efficiency. The inclusion of a 2-year warranty further sets it apart, providing confidence in its durability. Tips for getting the most out of your Twomeow food chopper. To maximize performance and longevity, follow these tips. Pre-cut tough ingredients. For finer textures, cut meat or hard vegetables into smaller chunks before processing. Use pulse control. Short bursts ensure even chopping and prevent overprocessing. Clean immediately. Rinse detachable parts right after use to avoid food sticking to the blades. Avoid overheating. Run the chopper for no more than 30 seconds at a time, allowing it to cool for 2 minutes between cycles. Experiment with the whisk. Try the whisk disc for creative recipes like homemade mayonnaise or fluffy pancake batter. The verdict: a must-have kitchen companion. The Twomeow Food Chopper, 4-cup fast food processor, is a versatile, powerful, and affordable tool that transforms meal prep into a quick and enjoyable task. Its dual-speed control, for stainless steel blades, and whisk attachment make it a standout choice for home cooks who value efficiency and versatility. Whether you're a busy parent, a baking enthusiast, or someone who loves fresh, homemade meals, this chopper delivers consistent results without breaking the bank. Its compact design, easy cleanup, and 2-year warranty make it a smart investment for any kitchen in 2025. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.